2 more communities will soon see the commencement of works for projects under the SSDF's SFA 2006 Social Development Program. Contracts were awarded for projects in the communities of Canaries and Millet at a total cost close to $600,000. Coordinator of the Special Framework of Assistance, SFA 2006, Dr. Anthony George, said the key objective of the SFA 2006 is to alleviate poverty in the communities that need it most.
We are effectively targeting the poorest throughout St. Lucia and providing for these communities some really critical social infrastructure projects. Today is a reflection of that, and with the Canaries Cottage Sector Program and the Millet Daycare Center renovation. And you know, the St. Lucia Social Development Fund is really committed in sustaining high levels of community participation with these programs, along with the development and implementation of comprehensive community development plans.
In his comments, Minister for Social Transformation Leonard Montoute said the projects in both the recipient communities target 2 fundamental factors to alleviating poverty: education and economic activity.
I am very pleased to be part of this program to usher in the commencement of these 2 projects in 2 communities that are very much deserving. As the Deputy Director indicated, not only will those projects provide opportunities for education and economic development, but it will also improve the aesthetics of the communities, because these are 2 existing buildings and I'm sure will be much improved and will, uplift the landscape of those communities by the time they are completed.
District Representative for Constituency, Dr. Keith Mondesi, said these projects are a true demonstration of social transformation and will help uplift the communities.
I want to thank the Ministry of Social Transformation. This is what you call true transformation. We ask ourselves, what is the meaning of social transformation? Social transformation, in my opinion, means that you move a people socially upwards and economically at the same time. And both of these projects will be doing this, especially the one in Canaries. So I want to say to the people of Canaries and the people of Millet, I will continue to do the job they send me to do. I will continue bugging the different ministries, and until the job is done, I will not stay and rest.
The Canaries project includes the renovation of the old Catholic Church to be incorporated into a cottage tourism program. The contract was awarded to Delphine Demarque at a contract sum of $297,062 with a contract period of 12 weeks. The contract for the extension of the Millet Daycare Center was awarded to Mr. Peter Rene at a contract sum of $298,000 with a contract period of 12 weeks.